Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol XGTI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just basically the past day and a half broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation makes, just summarizing the price action pretty straightforward. And if you say, Clay, look, just summarize essentially the past day and a half for me, I would say pump and dump. Now, before I start throwing stones, I'm not saying pump and dump in the sense that this company is being run out of somebody's basement in Somalia. I'm just saying that based on how the price itself has acted. And my definition of a pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases, even lower. So let's just first define where this all started. And for me, it all started when it finally broke out of the stubborn channel that it had been trapped below, and that was right here at the $1.75, $1.76 mark. You go back here, and you can see, that was rejected it right there. A couple other times didn't quite get that close, but when it did finally break right there, you can see that's where things, really got that much more exciting. So that is where I'm going to define the starting point. So let's go through the definition. Price makes a really nice move. Again, it started right there, and then it went all the way up there. I hopefully we could all agree that that was a really nice move. Second part, within a relatively short amount of time. Well, considering this all happened in essentially the same day, I would assume we can all agree, yeah, that was a pretty short amount of time. Within the same day, that's not that long at all. Last part, price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. Where did I say all this started? Right here at the green line. Where did it close today? Basically right at the green line. So it's literally right back to where it started. And I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Price movements that are truly powerful, that do have genuine strength behind them, the price is going to progress forward, right? It's not going to go back to where it was. And that's exactly what happened here. The price went right back to where it started after making a really nice move. Now, can the bulls put something new together? Can the bulls, structure a completely new, nice move? Yeah, absolutely. I'm not saying this thing can never make a great move again. I'm just saying as far as this move over here was concerned, total pump and dump because the price is right back to where it started. So back to the drawing board for the bulls. We'll see if they can put something new together or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.